Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Payroll4Free for contractor tax forms, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Payroll4Free for contractor tax forms, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type payroll4free.com and hit enter. Wait for the home page to load fully. Once the page loads, look for the download section. Click on the Download Now button. After clicking, a new page will open with download options. Choose the version suitable for your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Click on the corresponding link for your chosen version. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, look for a prompt or link that says click here to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement when prompted. Choose the installation location or leave it as default, then click Next. Select any additional components you want to install, if applicable. Click Install to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to close the installation wizard. To open Payroll4Free, locate the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch the program. Now you are ready to begin using Payroll4Free for contractor tax forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.